Shandong China Coal Group is also a manufacturer of railway maintenance and inspection equipment. As an excellent supplier, our main products include rail cutting machine, rail grinding machine, rail drilling machine, tampers, bolt wrench, stretching machine, track lifting and lining machine, tracking lifters and lining tools, rail panel lifting frame, rail gap adjuster, rail welding, rail bending and straightening machine, rail straighteners and benders, rail's temporary connector, re-railing tools, rail carriers, transportation trolley, testing equipment, measuring tools. We are well aware of the importance of railway roads. It connects cities, but also it links people with dreams, opportunities, and our lives. Thank you for always being with us. We are willing to move forward with you, paving the way to success.